It's recording anyways.
Oh. Are you in the video?
So,
Okay, so the unveiling of and unboxing of the, what is it called?
Maginon action camera, which you brought home today from Aldi's.
I did.
So here's an Aldi's camera that is 4K at 24 frames per second are the specs. 25 frames per second.
And it's waterproof.
It is. So this is a generic GoPro camera. Comes with an 8GB card in it. It comes with two batteries, actually two 850 milliamp lithium ion batteries, which is nice, and a camera frame, a handlebar, pole mount, helmet belt mounts, holding clips, two 3M adhesive, so not a generic cheapo adhesive pad, charging cradle for the two batteries, a remote control, which that I thought was interesting.
Mm-hmm.
A metal tether, 4 plastic tethers, 4 bandages, I guess if you cut yourself with them?
Maybe. So that is all in this packaging.
All in this
all
packaging.
It's
One
not
rubber.
by separate.
No,
It's included. Okay.
one rubber pad, a USB cable, a lens cloth, a pouch. But what's really nice is with Aldi's brand, they have a 3-year warranty. So everything that they have, it is a 3-year warranty. And the thing is, the quality of for this German company on the electronics has not been bad. So let's take a look. I've already taken the stickers off. So let's pull that out.
All right.
And there is that. Let's see. Let's start with all the goodies. So there's the nice
velvet bag.
Look at that. It's soft. Or it could be a puppet.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so we have a velvet bag. And everything is really tightly mounted. Some instruction manuals. Warranty information in Spanish and in English. Warnings of improper use. Guarantee, conditions of guarantee and warranty from Aldi's. Let's see.
What's next?
Wait, I have no idea. I think this is a bicycle clamp.
Okay, I will tell you. Quick clip.
Okay, quick clip.
Quick.
Actually, handlebar. Yeah, handlebar mount.
Oh, well, handlebar mount.
Okay, so here's the 8GB microSD card with the SD adapter.
Mm-hmm.
What is this? Actually, this is, I think this is
A strap?
a strap, yeah. Oh. Okay, that's nice. Does it say that it comes with it? Yeah, okay. Some other adapters. I really don't know. There's the 3M adhesive. And inside there's actually one of those security cables, the metal security cables.
Metal tether?
Mm-hmm. Metal tether. No, what is this?
No, is that the
Oh, that's it. This is the quick
That's
clip.
the quick
So
clip.
there's the quick
There we
clip.
go.
And here's a standard camera mount. So we could put it on a tripod or some kind of gimbal.
Which we'll show you here in just a little
Actually,
bit.
I don't think we need the gimbal for that.
No?
More mounts. More mounts. Another camera mount. It looks like a replacement cover. Yeah, you know what? So it actually gives you a second
Yeah.
cover for the waterproof casing. So you actually have two. So if one of them gets scratched, you have a second one. You know what? That's nice.
Yeah.
That's not even listed on there either. All right.
And it's waterproof up to 98 feet.
So I'm really surprised at all it comes with. Here's the remote control too. I thought this was a nice addition, so you can start recording, stop recording. So that is nice. So here is the. Am I going to take this off of here? This is some kind of. Oh, there it is. Quick clip. So fair warning, I've never had a GoPro, so I don't. I'm sure these are. This is some kind of. Somehow this comes off. There we go, this way. Alright, so there it is, and here's, so it's already mounted on something. There's the camera itself.
Here, I'll take it up for get a close shot.
I think that's way close. You're way close.
Too close.
Yeah. And then hold it where they say just hold it there for once she tells you where.
It won't focus that spaces.
Oh
No,
The only
it's manual focus.
manual
It's not.
focus.
So
Well, we tried that, so
that's gonna.
that didn't work.
It doesn't matter. So
Okay.
so there's the so here's the waterproof casing comes off easily. Let's see. Let's take it out of there.
I don't know if we can add it to this.
Pop it out. Should just pop out. Yep, there it goes. All right, so you got your little plastic protector. Let's take that off. So power button. And there it goes, turned on. Power light. Another little thing, and so it comes a little bit half charged. I mean, this is just so small.
Yeah.
So
Like 2 inches.
so here's one of the DJI Osmo gimbals. And look at that. So it fits right in the DJI gimbal nicely. So this is good. I mean, we
Now,
could
it has
use it.
Wi-Fi. Can you connect it to this though?
No, telephone though. So the iPhone or the Android, and so it does have built-in Wi-Fi, so you can transfer all your images from the from the camera to your phone. And I'm sure once we download the app, I'm sure there's probably more that you can do. But
No. I don't know.
$69 at Aldi's that you found. So
So we'll have to capture some footage and compare it and see.
well, for $69, we'll see. But so far, I mean, the screen looks good. I'm gonna hit the record button, and there's no card in it, so
Well,
let's see. Let's pop the card in there.
where are the batteries?
Oh, you know what? That's a good question. I didn't see the other
'Cause
battery.
it says 2 batteries included.
Yeah. Oh, there it is.
Two
There's a
batteries?
second battery.
Oh, because one's in it. So
Mhm.
here's the other one.
All right, that's a good call.
It is a 3.7 volt. Okay.
Let me turn it off. Pop the SD card back in there. Turn it back on. It's booting up. Now it has some. And we're at 1080p, 30 frames per second.
Hey, Peaches. There's a
Hey,
dog.
Peaches. There's a doggy.
Hey,
Hey,
girl.
little puppy.
Hey.
Let's we'll take some more footage and we'll see what we think for a $69 camera. That's a pretty good price. Hi. So we're back with the Maginon 4K action camera. And one of the things I found since we've opened it up and started using it a little bit is when you take the battery out and replace it, the time gets reset. So let's take a look at how you navigate through the menu. We found that we have the power button right here. The power button becomes the select or toggle button of different features. The record button becomes the select button, and then we have our arrow buttons. So when I go through this, here we can set from video to images, so we can take pictures of different types of pictures, different resolutions, and we can get to the settings button. So from there we select into that, and here we can see all the different settings that we have. We use the arrow buttons to go down, to go through. We can select into them and take a look at the photo resolution. From there we can change that. Then we hit the back button, toggle through some of the different ones, get into date and time, and I did go ahead and set the date and time on it. Go back by hitting the power on and off button. And then when you're done setting all the different things like video resolution or photo resolution on the camera, you're going to go all the way back up till you get to the X. You select that, and then you're ready to take a video. What we found is the nice waterproof housing is waterproof and the audio is terrible. But as I showed in the earlier video, there is a adapter that you can put the camera in, and you can put it on a tripod, you can put it on a gimbal, and it works great. And the audio quality on it is fine. It's not anything professional, but again, this is an action camera. This is going to be put on a bicycle. This is going to be put on a motorcycle. This is going to be put on the back of a truck. I saw a YouTube video of somebody doing that. You're going to be running with it. You're going to put it on a helmet. This is an action camera, not an Nikon or a Canon or any high def video camera. But it's a small, easy to use, fun camera for $69.99, and we enjoyed it. And take a look at some of the video that we took. So we've taken some video with the camera, and here you can see what it looks like. We've got crisp video at 4K, 25 frames per second. And it seems to do a good job. So again, you have to take into consideration, what are you doing? You're buying a $69 camera to take action shots. You get a waterproof housing. You get a number of different adapters with it. And all in all, you really are getting a lot for a little. You get two batteries with a charger on it. You get all these different things, quick release adapters. Honestly, I really don't. I haven't gone through all of them. These I like. You can always use more SD adapters. take a chance, have fun with it, and see what you can do with it. So, again, Aldi's $69.99. Lots of different things in it. Take it out, have fun, and let your kids use it. Let your kids have fun with it, because who knows, you might have the next, Steven Spielberg, the next director of a major motion picture company in your household. So have fun, don't take things so seriously, and enjoy it.